Good morning. My name is Teacher Doris, and today is May 12, 2020. May 12, 2020. And today is Tuesday. Repeat after me. Tuesday. We are going with this book, Letters and Sounds. Please pay attention. Let's have a review of the letter D first. The letter D is a sound, and the sound is D, 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 as in dog. Please make the sound D, 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 as in dog. Then letter D, like in my name, Doris. Yes, D, 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 okay? Let's read the blends. The, the, though, the. One more time. The, though, the. Good job. Now, let's remember the letter G. The letter G. G as in goat. G says G, G, G as in goat. G says G, G, G as in goat. Now let's read the blends of the letter G. Ga, ge, gi, go, ga. One more time. Ga, ge, gi, go, ga. All right. Let's continue with the letter R. The letter R. R says as in ring. R says as in ring. Let's read the blends of the letter R. Ra, re, ri, ro, ra. One more time. Ra, re, ri, ro, ra. Okay, now we are going to continue working with the page number 33. 33. Okay, remember we have to write our name first at the beginning of the page, okay? So we have to read our name. Okay, I'm gonna try. Now I'm gonna try. Okay, but first I have to erase all this, okay? Erase. Write your name. Escriban su nombre. Lo primero que hay que hacer es escribir el nombre. Okay, you finish? Okay. Listen, we have to match each picture to the blend you hear at the beginning of the word. Listen, this is a rabbit. We have to look for the blend ra. Is this ra? No, that's ra. Is this the blend ra? Yes, so we have to match the rabbit with the blend ra. I'm gonna get the pen. Okay, let's do it. Let's mash it. Yes, now rug, rug. Okay, so rug begins with a blend ra. Yes, correct. Let's mash it. And this is red. Red. Red begins with the blend red? Begins with the blend red? Yes. Yes. Let's match red with the red blend. Very good. We have to be careful. We have different blends here, so we have to be careful. This is a doll. Repeat. Doll. Doll begins with B, do, de. With doubling do. So doubling do. Very good. This is a desk. Desk begins with B or correct. We have to match the desk with doubling D. Good job. Now it's a belt. And belt begins with a blend B. Good. Now listen. We have to fill in the bubble next to the correct word. We have to read the words and we have to bubble out. Okay, this is a cat. Let's read. Cat. This is the correct word for cat. Yes, cat. Listen, let's try to read. Ten. Next. Hen. Hen. This is a hen. Which is the correct word? This or this? This was a hen, and hen begins with the letter H. Okay, these plants. Dog. One more time. Dog. Dog. Log. This is a dog. So, this is the correct word. Yes, dog. Okay. And this is, let me read the blends. Tab. Tab. Cab. Cab. When bears are still a baby, we call them cabs. So, this is the correct word. Cab. Cab. Okay. Now we finish page 33. We're going to continue another day. I love you. Bye-bye.